Exploring BSN's impact on EOS adoption, a week-long NFT frenzy, EOS Finex brings Ethereum DeFi to EOS, and much more. Hello EOS Nation, I'm Daniel Keys and this is episode 85 of the EOS Hot Sauce. As always, our spicy weekly updates are available in every format. Watch on YouTube, listen on SoundCloud or your favorite podcast player, or read it at eosnation.io. That's also where you can subscribe to the EOS Nation newsletter to get that spicy sauce poured straight into your inbox. However you prefer it, help spread the sauce by smashing that like, ringing that bell, and giving us a 5-star rating. Let's get to this week's spicy goodness. BSN, Diffuse, and EOS Nation got together this week on Everything EOS to highlight the strengths and synergies of our latest trilateral partnership and how it will drive and enable large amounts of developers to build on EOS mainnet. While we highly recommend watching the entire episode, here's a quick recap of the most important topics that were discussed, starting with a short clip from the interview.
And so we're kind of the entry point into the funnel. So BSN is very much they're going to be shipping tons of people into this funnel. We're going to be the first entry point, and then we're going to send them over to Diffuse as they mature and as they grow their business. So the three pillars really, really worked well together.
BSN is a blockchain integrator that makes it easy for developers to quickly start building on blockchain at a very low cost. A $20 monthly subscription is all that's required for a developer to gain access to all the offered blockchains by BSN, which range from custom-built private networks to public and permissionless networks such as EOS. BSN is going to be attracting a lot of developers who are curious about building on blockchain, and we want to make sure that those developers have the easy way to build and experiment on EOS. EOS Nation's Diffuse Community Edition will play a critical role by enabling developers to freely explore some of the advanced programming features that are available on Diffuse. Developers will have only spent $20 up to this point, and can get a taste of the power and flexibility that building on EOS offers. Once they find product market fit and demand for their service grows beyond our capacity to service them for free through the EOS Nation Diffuse Community Edition, we know that the highly competent and professional team at Diffuse will be able to offer a world-class enterprise service that's highly scalable and capable of satisfying the needs of even the most demanding applications. As many of you know, Diffuse is designed for large enterprises with heavy and uninterruptible data needs. Throughout the episode, Alexandre Bourget talked about the many products that Diffuse has shipped in 2020 and how they can help developers build next-generation distributed applications. BSN also highlighted the examples of blockchain networks that run without a native token, and instead, node operators are simply paid in fiat directly by developers who need to create or access a certain type of blockchain. The system is built in a way that will see the amount of node providers increase following an increase in developer demand, as those monthly fees are distributed to the node providers. It's a very flexible approach that focuses on offering the most low-cost and low-friction way to get people building on blockchain. And finally, at the end of the episode, Yves LaRose talked about some of the projects and products that EOS Nation has been working on in the last few months. Yves shared some news regarding how EOS Nation works with the Canadian government through universities to onboard new developers as part of our student development program, which we're currently looking to expand into China. Yves also officially announced the upcoming release of EOS Nation's new Flash Loan DeFi product. This public good is free to use and has been live and functional on the mainnet for quite some time now. We're now confident enough in its robustness to audit and MSIG the smart contracts and open up the Flash loans to more users and volume. Stay tuned. And we hope your Wax accounts and credit cards are ready, because there's a lot of NFTs going on sale the next week. Whatever type of NFT it is that you like to collect, Wax has you covered this week. The much anticipated Crypto Twerp series is going on sale on Monday at 1600 UTC, and we're happy to announce that the team has given us some promotional NFTs to give to our community. Make sure to follow us on Twitter, as we'll be running a retweet contest on Sunday morning with tons of Crypto Twerps to be won, and we'll be giving some more away in our mega NFT raffle on December 20th. The team behind Crypto Twerps have done a great job building both their product and community. There are 19 different artists that have produced 40 different designs for this release, some of which are downright hilarious. In total, there are 80 different cards, A and B of the 40 designs, and 4 different rarities to collect. Then on Tuesday, we've got a new Blockchain Heroes release to look forward to. The Blockchain Heroes metaverse has been invaded by the evil centralizers of the world financial systems and authoritarian governments, and you're invited to join the fight in Series 2 of this iconic Wax NFT series. Watch the fantastic trailer on Twitter and get your Wax ready for the Blockchain Heroes first strike. There are 40 original characters in this release and 9 rarities, which include collectible artifacts, fully animated characters, and some ultra-rare 3D renders. If the Black Friday presale was any indication, this series is going to be very popular. To learn more about this release, tune in for a 1-hour interview on Any Observation with Joel Comm and Travis Wright, the creators of Blockchain Heroes. Then we have Deadmau5 digital collectibles coming to Wax on Wednesday, December 16th at 2100 UTC. Deadmau5 is a world-class musician well known for his passion for technology and love for innovation in the electronic music space. He's already involved with blockchain technology through his music label's close partnership with Emanate, so this upcoming release of digital merch is a logical progression for Deadmau5, as he continues to be a natural trailblazer in all things music and technology. The sale will be credit card only and is likely to onboard many new users to the Wax network, which is what we all want to see. Make sure to visit the drop page for all the details and then head on over to Deadmau5's Emanate page to listen to his latest tracks. Don't forget to sign up to Emanate as there's a free drop coming up for account holders. And then Thursday is your only opportunity to give your wallet a short break. It's the only day without an exciting NFT release this week. Take the time to learn more about a very unique and interesting project called CryptoMonkeys. This vast series has new cards coming out on a regular basis, but none of them are sold. How can you earn them? In all sorts of ways, such as engaging with the community or holding previous CryptoMonkeys NFTs. Learn more about the project in a recent Wax Community Developer Highlight series. Then pull your wallet back out on Friday, because that's when Bitcoin Origins Moment 2, the Genesis block, goes on sale. It's the second release in Series 1 of this beautiful and exclusive collection. In total, there are 5 moments per series with 3 artistic renditions of each moment, as well as 3 special inserts. During the sale, enough collectors must mine or open the 1 MB block or pack before unlocking the 2 MB and 4 MB blocks of the series, with each block being more expensive than the previous ones. Then finally we have Monster of Rap on Saturday, the second project led by the R2 and EOS Amsterdam partnership. It features a new artist and some scary and funny renditions of the most popular rappers in music history. Join the community on Telegram and get ready for the drop on Saturday at 1700 UTC. And if that wasn't enough Wax NFT action for you, it's time to race for rares. If you're joining us for the YouTube premiere of this episode, type Spicy Rare in the live chat now for a chance to win one of 5 Spicy Rare NFTs, and guess the length of this episode to win an NFT pack. You've got 2 minutes starting now. And if you'd like a chance to win this week's Golden Chili, leave a relevant comment on this video about one of today's spicy topics. You don't need to be here for the premiere for this one. You've got 2 days to leave your comment. Good luck, and don't forget you need to sign up to be eligible at eosnation.io/spicy. And smash that like if you're hyped for some NFTs. Back to the spicy sauce, the EOS Finex team announced a total of 18 new listings, and the selection of tokens focuses primarily on Ethereum-based DeFi protocols, effectively bringing a lot more liquidity to the EOS DeFi space. Porting Ethereum projects over to EOS was made possible through the P network, and the first batch of tokens is already available for trading, with more to follow in the coming weeks. Kudos to the Bitfinex team for an amazing contribution aiming to push our ecosystem to the forefront of DeFi innovation. In other EOS Finex news, we're happy to report that the Wombat wallet, one of the easiest ways to create EOS accounts, is now fully integrated. This powerful combination makes it incredibly easy to onboard users onto EOS and get them to experience the power of EOS Finex and the advantages of trading Bitfinex levels of liquidity for Ethereum DeFi tokens directly from your EOS account. This is truly incredible stuff. The future of crypto trading has arrived. Congrats to EOS Finex, Provable Tokens, and all of the EOS users who will get to take advantage of these incredible products. And congratulations are also well-deserved for Wordproof for winning the Dutch Blockchain Awards in the Social Impact category. After being rewarded earlier this year by policymakers of the European Commission, this new award is yet another great success for the Wordproof team and a clear message by thousands of individual voters that a trusted web is much desired. Wordproof founder Sebastian van der Lens explained during the ceremony how timestamping on a blockchain can combat fake news and bring more integrity to the information that we share on the internet. Have a listen to what he had to say.
And what we aim for is a world where search engines reward everyone who's transparent, where social media rewards it. And you can literally see in the search results, hey, this is a timestamped and therefore more trustworthy information.
Wow. Is this also the key to combat fake news?
We think it is, as the timestamp brings 2 things: transparency, so how did information change over time, and accountability, where does information come from? And with the identity connected to content, you can at least combat every fake news or misinformation coming from anonymous sources, which is a big problem. And later on, you can build a reputation around it. And those are the building blocks for combating all misinformation.
When asked what would be next for Wordproof, Sebastian mentioned the upcoming cooperation with one of the largest news websites in the Netherlands, more educational content in the Wordproof Academy, and integration of Wordproof into the Shopify App Center. Effect.ai was the second EOS-based project to win a Dutch Blockchain Award, this time in the Public Solution category. In an interview, Chris Dahl, CEO of Effect.ai, shared that one of the announcements planned for the 19th of December 2020 will introduce new opportunities to improve the situation of refugees. We'd like to give a big shout out to the Dutch EOS community, which is clearly thriving. 2 out of 6 awards this year went to projects being built on EOS. Bravo! Up next, Yup has added a new feed to their web app, which is dedicated to NFTs and digital art and generated through Yup user ratings from across the large variety of NFT marketplaces. The creation of crypto art is becoming increasingly important given the explosive growth rate of new artists coming into the space, and Yup provides a great tool and additional revenue stream for anyone that loves browsing NFTs. Visit the Yup NFT gallery to see which artworks were mostly rated by Yup users, or check out the tweet thread where the Yup team shared some of their favorite pieces. Speaking of crypto art, the Upland Metaverse is expanding into that world by featuring Stephen Tompkins as the first artist selling his works on their platform. To learn more about the artist and how Upland plans to integrate artists, we recommend you check out the Upland NFT Artist Spotlight. 3 of his works were auctioned off in the Upland NFT Art channel, and each of them comes in pair with a rare block explorer, inspired by the original piece and created in partnership with the artist. We congratulate Upland for their premiere in the crypto art space, and we hope to see many more artists selling in this EOS-based metaverse soon. The Upland map surely needs some buildings to showcase all the artworks, which brings us to the next event happening in Upland, the Sandbox Wars. The purpose of this fun event is to test the new 3D building interface and get familiar with the underlying game mechanics. There's a lot to unpack, like staking for building power, positioning of trailers to steal an opponent's points, or choosing a neighborhood champion. We recommend reading the full details in the article announcement. And if you're looking for a way to earn some cash to pay for all that crypto art, the Everipedia team just announced the launch of a public bounty system offering great opportunities for C++, JS, and EOS developers to get involved in the IQ ecosystem and earn rewards. Bounties range up to $4,000 per task, with a total of $15,000 currently available. You'll find details about the first batch on GitHub, and you can join the designated Telegram channel for further information and updates. And some good news now for our European viewers. Due to overwhelming demand, Revolut has made 4 new cryptocurrencies available for users in the EU, and we're happy to report that EOS is one of them. Revolut is a financial super app aiming to be the digital banking alternative. The rapidly growing user base speaks volumes about the quality of their product and the overall need for innovation in the financial sector. EOS surely has a lot to offer in this regard. And if you're looking to keep those good vibes pumping, Coolwave Capital published a great article this week, which clearly lays out all the progress Block 1 has made in the year 2020. Naturally, we're already extremely excited for EOS in both the near and long term, and it's great to see that others are feeling the same way. If you're looking for a boost of positive vibes about Block 1 and EOS, make sure to give this piece a read. But before you go reading, we've got one last update to share. Season 1 of Race for Rares is almost over. We've had a ton of fun this year creating our Spicy Rare NFT series and giving them away to our loyal fans who have shown up for the live chats during our Hot Sauce YouTube premieres each week. We've also been giving away NFT card backs every week, and we have more great prizes to give away before the end of the year. But this week is the last chance to accumulate some Spicy Rares from Season 1. Next week is the last EOS Hot Sauce episode of the year, and while we're not giving away any new Spicy Rare NFTs, we're giving away all of our end-of-season prizes, which include over 13,000 Waxen prizes and $1,000 plus worth of NFTs and NFT packs. Spicy. After the EOS Hot Sauce premiere, we'll invite our viewers to join Stefan and Martin, our resident NFT gurus, for the end of the year Race for Rares live stream on December 20th at 16:15 UTC. They'll be talking about NFTs, sharing some of our plans for the upcoming year, and of course, giving away tons of NFT and wax prizes. We hope to see you there. And that's all for this week's episode of EOS Hot Sauce. We've got more spicy goodness for you every week, so subscribe, hit the bell, and stay tuned for the next one. And if you can't wait till next week, find our previous episodes at eosnation.io or on our YouTube channel. Once again, I'm your host, Daniel Keys, and we'll see you again next week. Until then, let's keep it spicy.